Today, I've got something truly remarkable to share with you. In the world of manifestation, there's a secret technique that was once exclusively revealed to Neville Goddard's most privileged clients. This method possesses the incredible potential to manifest substantial wealth, and we're talking about potentially billions of dollars, in an astonishingly short period. Neville Goddard's confidential wealth manifestation method is your golden ticket to prosperity. It's been concealed from the public eye, only accessible to a select few. But what if I told you that there's an undisclosed method capable of swiftly bringing a vast fortune into your life? A method with the power to materialize billions of dollars for you. Before I unveil this technique, I'd like to ask a small favor. Please support my channel and podcast by hitting the like button and subscribing. Your support means the world to me and enables me to reach more individuals who can benefit from this profound knowledge. Your generosity and kindness are greatly appreciated. This secret technique is on the brink of revolutionizing your life forever. You're about to discover how to use this secret to manifest money, wealth, love, and everything your heart desires. Do you want to manifest billions of dollars in your life? Do you want to live the life of your dreams, with plenty of money, freedom, and joy? If you answered yes, then you need to learn this powerful technique from one of the greatest reality creation experts of all time, Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard was a visionary teacher who taught the law of assumption, which states that whatever you assume to be true in your imagination will become your reality. He said that you are the creator of your own world, and that you can change any circumstance by changing your state of consciousness. Today, I will share with you how you can use Neville's technique to manifest billions of dollars in your life. This is not a joke, this is not a scam, this is not a fantasy. This is a proven method that has worked for thousands of people, including some of Neville's VIP students who have shared their testimonials at the end. So, how do you manifest billions using the law of assumption? Here are the steps. 1. Define your desire. Be clear and specific about what you want to manifest. How much money do you want to have? How do you want to earn it? How do you want to spend it? What kind of lifestyle do you want to live? Write down your desire in detail and make it as vivid as possible. 2. Assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This is the key to Neville's technique. You have to feel as if you already have what you want, as if it is already done. You have to feel the joy, the gratitude, the confidence, the freedom, and the abundance that come with having billions of dollars. You have to feel it in your body, in your mind, and in your heart. 3. Enter the state akin to sleep. This is a state of relaxation and receptivity, where your subconscious mind is open and impressionable. You can enter this state by meditating, breathing deeply, listening to soothing music, or lying down comfortably. The best time to do this is before going to sleep or after waking up. 4. Imagine a scene that implies fulfillment. In this state, you have to create a mental image that represents your desire being fulfilled. For example, if you want to manifest billions of dollars, you can imagine yourself checking your bank account and seeing a huge balance, or receiving a check with a huge amount, or celebrating with your friends and family. The scene should be short, simple, and realistic. It should also involve some sensory details, such as sounds, colors, smells, tastes, and textures. 5. Repeat the scene until it feels natural. You have to repeat the scene over and over again in your mind until it feels real and natural. You have to impress it on your subconscious mind until it becomes a part of your reality. You have to live in the end result and act as if it is already true. 6. Let go and trust the process. After you have done the previous steps, you have to let go of your desire and trust that it will manifest in the best way possible. You have to detach from the outcome and avoid any doubt, worry, or anxiety. You have to live in the present moment and enjoy your life as it is. You have to know that your desire is already yours and that it will come to you at the right time and in the right way. That's it. That's how you manifest billions using Neville Goddard's technique. It may sound simple, but it is very powerful and effective. If you practice this technique consistently and faithfully, you will see amazing results in your life. Don't take my word for it. Here are some real-life testimonials from Neville Goddard's VIP students who use this technique to manifest billions. I was struggling with debt and living paycheck to paycheck. I discovered Neville Goddard's teachings and decided to apply them to my financial situation. I started to imagine that I had billions of dollars in my bank account, and I felt the happiness and freedom that came with it. I persisted in this assumption for several weeks, until one day I received a phone call from a lawyer who told me that I had inherited a fortune from a distant relative. I couldn't believe it. It was exactly what I had imagined. Now I am living the life of my dreams, thanks to Neville Goddard. John Smith. I always wanted to be a successful entrepreneur, but I had no idea how to start or grow a business. I learned about Neville Goddard's law of assumption and decided to give it a try. I imagined that I had created a billion-dollar company that was changing the world for the better. I felt the pride, passion, and purpose that came with it. I persisted in this assumption for several months, until one day I met a mentor who offered me an opportunity to join his team and help him launch a new venture. It turned out to be a huge success, and within a year we went public and became billionaires. It was exactly what I had imagined. Now I am living the life of my dreams, thanks to Neville Goddard. Alice Green. I always dreamed of traveling the world and experiencing different cultures, but I never had enough money or time to do it. I stumbled upon Neville Goddard's teachings and decided to use them to manifest my dream lifestyle. I imagined that I had billions of dollars and that I was free to go wherever I wanted, whenever I wanted. I felt the excitement, adventure, and joy that came with it. I persisted in this assumption for several weeks, until one day I won the lottery and received a huge amount of money. It was exactly what I had imagined. Now I am living the life of my dreams, thanks to Neville Goddard. Maria Gonzalez. These are just some examples of how people have used Neville Goddard's law of assumption to manifest billions of dollars in their lives. You can do it too. All you need is your imagination and your persistence. So what are you waiting for? Start using this powerful technique today and watch your reality transform before your eyes. Remember, all things are possible to him who believes. Neville Goddard. But wait, there's more. Among these techniques, Neville Goddard hinted at a unique method specifically designed for manifesting money. This one-of-a-kind approach revolves around our sense of smell. According to Neville, the smell of money holds a unique and distinctive quality, even more appealing than the most beautiful flowers in the world. His advice was simple: to enhance financial prosperity, regularly acquaint yourself with the scent of money. By immersing yourself in this sensory experience, a connection between the scent and wealth forms in your mind, making it easier to visualize and manifest greater financial abundance. Let's dive into how this technique works and how it can help you attract more money. Neville Goddard emphasized the significance of our sense of smell in the process of manifestation. He believed that our perception is formed by the fusion of our reasoning and senses. Incorporating aroma-based techniques into manifestation practices widens the scope for drawing prosperity into one's life. Our five senses, touch, taste, hearing, sight, and smell, act as portals to understand the world. They go beyond the limits of time and space, making them effective tools for manifestation. The ethereal nature of smell allows us to draw from past experiences and envision those yet to come. By regularly exposing oneself to the smell of money, the brain strengthens the connection between the scent and the concept of wealth. This process makes it more natural to conceive financial prosperity. Neville's law of assumption aligns with this, as regularly visualizing or encountering physical currency notes creates a vivid mental image in the subconscious, enhancing the visualization of wealth. Visualization goes beyond just picturing something in your mind. It's about embracing the sensory experience as real. Engaging all five senses, including smell, breathes life into the visualization, transforming it from a mental exercise into an experiential reality. The scent of money, with its unique fragrance and symbolism, becomes a powerful tool in the manifestation process. It acts as a catalyst, triggering emotions associated with affluence, prosperity, and the excitement of achievement. This emotional resonance brings vibrancy to visualization, a quality crucial for successful manifestation. The scent of money can be considered a secret trigger unlocking emotions tied to financial well-being. The repetition of experiencing the smell of money changes how the brain works, forming stronger connections over time. Consistent practice over several weeks allows your brain to adapt to this new way of thinking, leading to changes in how you feel, think, and act about money. This technique is a gradual process. The goal is to create a strong mental link between the scent of money and positive emotions associated with wealth, making it more natural for your mind to accept the idea of being financially well off. It's important to note that this technique isn't a quick fix, but a journey toward rewiring your brain for financial success. With consistent practice, the smell of money can trigger positive thoughts and feelings about wealth almost automatically, ultimately leading to a transformation in how you think about money. Adjusting the technique to fit your preferences and lifestyle is encouraged, whether by using essential oils or other fragrances that remind you of prosperity. The power of this scent-based manifestation technique lies in its simple yet effective approach using smell and visualization to create a strong connection between your desires and your experiences. The key is repetition and engaging your senses and emotions in this process to tap into a powerful way of making your financial desires a reality. Neville Goddard's method is about using your senses to strengthen your connection with what you desire. Through emotions and repetition, you're rewriting your brain's script on wealth. Give it a few weeks of consistent effort and observe the transformation that unfolds as your thoughts about money naturally evolve. It's a customizable tool, so find what resonates with you and stay committed to the practice for a gradual but impactful change in your financial mindset. Neville Goddard's approach to manifestation through smell is a practical and effective strategy that can truly transform your relationship with wealth. It's a journey that, when undertaken sincerely, can lead to a significant shift in how you think, feel, and attract financial abundance. Neville Goddard's teachings often included practical exercises for manifestation, and one of the methods he suggested for manifesting large sums of money was through a simple yet powerful visualization technique. Here's a breakdown of Neville Goddard's exercise to manifest substantial wealth. Visualization exercise for manifesting large sums of money. 1. Relaxation and preparation. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a relaxed position. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to calm your mind and body. 2. Immerse yourself in a state of deep relaxation. Visualize a peaceful scene, a place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a serene beach, a cozy cabin in the mountains, or any location that brings you a sense of tranquility. Feel the calmness washing over you as you immerse yourself in this mental sanctuary. 3. Formation of the scene. Once you're in a relaxed state, begin to visualize a scene that signifies the fulfillment of your desire for a substantial amount of money. You could picture yourself holding a check, receiving a bank statement showing a large balance, or any representation that symbolizes your financial abundance. 4. Engage all senses. Enrich the visualization by engaging all your senses. Feel the texture of the paper, see the amount written, hear the sound of congratulations, taste the excitement, and especially, focus on smelling the scent of money. This is where Neville's emphasis on the olfactory aspect comes into play. 5. Imprint the scene. With intense concentration, imprint this scene deeply into your consciousness. Visualize the details vividly and make it as real and tangible as possible. Allow yourself to bask in the emotions of achievement, satisfaction, and joy that come with this financial windfall. 6. Repetition. Repeat this visualization exercise regularly, ideally once or twice a day, to reinforce the mental image of having received the large sum of money. Consistency is key, as repetition helps solidify the connection between the scent of money and the positive emotions associated with wealth. 7. Belief and gratitude. As you visualize, hold a strong belief that this manifestation is not just possible but inevitable. Feel a sense of deep gratitude for the wealth that is on its way, as if it's already a part of your reality. 8. Let go. After completing the visualization, release any attachment to the outcome. Trust in the process and allow the universe to work in its own time. Avoid obsessing over how or when the money will manifest, as this can create resistance. Neville Goddard's exercise for manifesting large sums of money combines the power of visualization with the sensory experience, particularly emphasizing the scent of money, to deeply embed the idea of financial abundance into your subconscious mind. Consistent practice of this visualization technique, engaging all your senses, and focusing on the olfactory experience of money's scent can gradually rewire your mind to attract wealth and open doors to opportunities that align with your desire for financial prosperity. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with SWITCHWORDS, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group SWITCHWORDS Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.